you all come up with the idea for the college grant?
Match is going to turn 20 next year. Match went live in 1995, and so next year is our 20th anniversary. It occurred to us that a lot of our success couples from the early days are starting to have kids that are thinking about college. And one thing about working at Match is we are so emotionally invested in our users and in our success couples. I mean, if you come to the office at Match, you'll see success couples lining the walls. We talk about our successes all the time. And we feel a real emotional bond to our members who succeed. And when we realize that we have, those success couples are having children who are thinking about college, we ask ourselves, how can we contribute to their kids? How can we continue that relationship we have with those success couples even further? And that's when it was kind of a no-brainer. We said, oh, we should come up with a scholarship and help continue that relationship we have with the users down into the next generation. And so that was when we came up with the Match Made Scholarship.
That's a really good thing. A lot of companies don't think about future generations that might use their company.
That's right.
That come from the parents that met on their dating websites. I think what the company's doing with giving the kids the money to go to college, which helps better them, that is a wonderful thing. And, it just proves what kind of company you all are.
Thank you.
What do they have to do to join the contest?
Basically, if your parents were met on Match, then we're simply asking students to submit a 2-minute-long video that tells their parents' relationship story in a fun, interesting, exciting, tear-jerking, emotional way. Whatever works. Whatever story fits with the relationship story. And so you could be sort of, you could interview your parents. You could sort of go find the original profiles and sort of have each parent read the profile out loud. You can imagine a lot of creative ways to do it. You could have them reenact their first date. I have no doubt that that teenagers' creativity and their expertise in social media and all that stuff will lead to some really, really exciting videos being submitted. If you and your spouse met on Match, the biggest thing you can do is tell your kids so they know to enter. Because I think, again, so many kids don't know how their parents met. And then I think once you've done that, go dig up that first email. Go dig up the first email that you sent back on Match. Go find the picture that you used of yourself from 20 years ago, back in 1993, that you probably had to scan into a computer and upload to the website. Go find the original material and really just give your kids all the information. Tell them about your first date.
It sounds like a great contest, and I hope a lot of people enter for it.
I hope so too. Thank you.